Good evening to all of you. In this particular presentation, I will tell you that how our weekly trend report, what we are generating for Nifty and Bank Nifty using the one standard deviation principle every week, how it has performed in the day one. Today is the 17th of December, and we have been giving this report from the past 141 weeks. 159 weeks. Out of that 141 weeks, it has given the success. Today being the first day, how it has performed. So this is a best way to judge this particular report. It's a truth sheet and its accuracy, because this is being given on 15th of December. And if you're a regular visitor of our website, you can download this report from the download section. Just visit the download section, and here you can just weekly trend report, download market report. You can download this particular report. So this report having two sections. One is on the Nifty, second is on the Bank Nifty. Also, we have added the trend reversal date for the month of December. This particular video we have released on the December 1st. So how it is working, that also we'll see. Today also the trend reversal date for TCS was there. Also Tata Steel also it was there. So 17th was the trend reversal for these two counters we have seen. So we'll see that what happened today. And the very reason of accepting the mathematical style of trading is you'll be knowing how your trend calculation is being done and what is the implication of those calculations on the real market. So we have estimated the real-time volatility of Nifty 11.23, and same way Bank Nifty also we have estimated it was 12%. So this is what the levels the method has calculated. 10,862 above, you will make all these uptrend levels. 10,782 below, you will make all the downtrends. And Friday Nifty last traded price was 10,821.9. So this is what the Nifty level was. So today we'll just go and introspect that how it has spanned in the Nifty. So Nifty, where it has opened, how much high it has given, how much low it has given. So all these things we'll see today. So today if you see the Nifty future open was 10,855.15. So this is what the opening of the Nifty, and it has gone to 10,924. Low was that opening itself was the low, and we have closed at 10,911.75. So this is what the Nifty has given today. And if you go to the live chart analysis also, you can able to see that which candle this opening happened, and then after how it has spun through, that also you can able to see. So if I'll just select the F&O future index, Nifty, and I'm just going for a 5-minute chart, and I'm just plotting this off, and here maximum tab I'll go. So 915 candle, if you see, open at 10,860, 882, and close at 10,882. So here too also you have come to that same level of 10,891, and here one dip you got. So till 10,866 you got it here around the time of. So here in the 5-minute candle, the fourth candle you are getting around 920 or 925. Again you have come down to 10,869, and here too also 866. So it has given plenty of time from 825 to the around 10 o'clock and odd. You have got that level of 10,862 level. So this level you have got it. Initial candle was a 915 to 920 candle. In fact, it has gone to 889 and you have come back. but you have a level still zero point 0.5 level you can purchase. So there are no problem if the opening happens between this 0.236 to zero point 0.5. So considering that your purchase is being made at 10,860 plus, and these are the levels for the day, and we'll just compare what is the high it has given, what is the low it has given, and where it has closed. So you have seen that 10,911 it has closed. It has gone to 10,924 and the day's low was 10,855, which is the opening 0.15. So resemble this price with our calculation. So the first target 925.91, you just missed by 1 rupee and 92 paisa, and closing was 911. So here 10,911. So zero point 0.5 above 0.5 retracement, 3 to 4 point above that you are closing, and there is no stop loss triggering action. So if you have taken this trade at 10,869 or 68 or 10,870 level somewhere, and if you have hedged it as per the 10,850 put option, then your profit could be some thousand plus you would have enjoyed at the target. So if you wish to know that yes, if I have hedged it with the option, then how it could have been performed. So here I have taken the option contract chart. So here you can get that 10,850 put option. I'm going for the chart option of this, and this is showing me the 928, 929, because this underlying price you will be seeing here and contract price in the left side. So 928, 930, when the underlying was at 10,851, means this is the spot level, and you have been, the future was 14 to 15 point premium. So 10,865 future, whenever you are buying, the option was available at 850 put option. So 940, 10,940.8 minus 10,850. So 90 rupees and 80 paisa. So the option you have got at, the options at that time will be 91 rupees. The 10,850 put option, when you have bought the future at 10,865 level, so the put option will be trading at 91 rupees, and this is from the NSE only we are taking. So if you see today's closing basis at 912, so here 35 points and 12 points, 35 points rounded to 10,900, another 12 point we have. So you have 47 point profit in the future, and same time the option is being at 68 rupees. So 91 minus 68, 68. So if I can go for, so here, so 3 and here it's 23. So 23, if I can less it from here, so 4 and here 2. So near to 1,700 plus or 1,800 rupees profit you have in this particular trade. So 1,800 profit it has shown on the very first day, and the calculations what we have done as per the one standard deviation, day's high basis it has just missed the target by 1 point, 10,924. We have calculated 10,926. Same way, if I go to the bank nifty, so bank nifty, this is the calculation is being done, and what is the bank nifty levels it has given. So if I just go for the bank nifty, so bank nifty, so here too also we need to validate our calculations with respect to the day's high, day's low, and opening basis. So previous close was 26,879.85, we have opened at 26,988.80 and high it has given 27,129, low 26,912. So if I just go back to the calculations of the report, so 27,035, 34.49 was the level we should enter, and the buy trade, and 26,690 we should enter the sell trade. So here the opening was 26,988 and it is closing at 27,085, made a high of 27,129. 27,129 if I compare this high from the first target itself, some 10 to 11 point you missed, and 26,000, 27,085, 27,085 was the closing, which is almost a 2-point deviations from your zero point 0.5 calculation level. So this calculations what is being done, it is done well in advance on Friday or Saturday, and Monday you are experiencing in the first day of this week you are experiencing the calculations truth sheet. So this is possible because of the real-time volatility calculations, and this real-time volatility calculation is being clubbed with the Fibonacci principle. So for that reason only it maintains that success. So coming back to the trend reversal days. So here 17th November was a trend reversal day for Tata Steel, and same for the TCS also. So let us go back and see what they have given. Trend reversal means whatever happened before, it will be, or the previous trading day, whatever it has happened. So this is going to be a opposite of that price action. So Tata Steel on Friday it has closed negative. So now the closing itself, you can say that it is just closing at 2% positive, and the trend reversal date calculated for Tata Steel is well validated today. So this is being given to you on the first week of the December. So coming to the TCS, we also expected the trend reversal date, whether it has worked or not. So this also we need to see. So TCS, if I am just looking into that, TCS, so just a minor, only 3 rupees movement happened, though it was a gap of opening, but it has not maintained that gap of opening. It has made a low 1985. So negative also it has gone during the day as compared to the closing of the Friday, and day end it is just 0.16% of positivity is closing. It's a very minor uptrend closing. So trend reversal happened. So it has previous close was 1989.85. Today, in fact, it has opened at 1999. It has gone to 2005. However, this high did not maintain, and the stock has fallen down and made a low. It is in fact negative as compared to the previous close, and closing at a very minor uptrend. So you may consider it as a failure of trend reversal for TCS, or you may think that yes, it has just a consolidation phase and this major trend reversal does not impact it fully on the TCS. So these two things you have seen. Same way, 16th also was a trend reversal for Sun Pharma. 16th was a holiday. So you must expect that the trend reversal should impact on 17th. So 16th was a holiday. So Sun Pharma also we must expect the trend reversal should impact on the 17th. So I'll be going for the Sun Pharma. The trend reversal day was falling on a Sunday. So here too, if I just compare with the previous close, so here just 140 paisa changes has happened. However, there was a gap of opening. Stock has maintained up, and the low also it is being made. However, closing was just 40 paisa difference. It has just 40 paisa difference towards the end it has made. So the gap of action and 425 also validate that today the trend reversal was very much placed in the Sun Pharma. And these trend reversals size or these trend reversals bigger price movements you can experience if the market will be in a trending zone. So we are in a consolidation zone. So we will be expecting very small fill or there is a 1 or 2% of movement we may expect. So similar way, we are expecting the trend reversal in the Nifty on 20th, Bank Nifty also on 20th. So TCS also it is falling on the 20th, and Sun Pharma, one more trend reversal day is coming on 19th, and you can see for other stocks also. Reliance we have given here. So 13th was a trend reversal day. So 20th also it is having a trend reversal day. So these trend reversal days, how far it is true? So please do verify in this month. And as I used to say, this trend reversal calculations gives 60 to 70% of accuracy. Whatever the days you will be getting the trend reversal, out of 60 to 70% of days it will be get impacted. So these are the scientific techniques. If you implement on your trading, then your success will improve gradually. I have demonstrated if you would have entered the Nifty future trade along with the 10,850 put option, I have demonstrated how you could have made 1,800 profit by the end of today. By the end of today. So today's end by closing price by taking reference, also you are at a 1,800 rupees profit you are sitting on. Similar kind of things you can find out in the Bank Nifty also. So all these methods, why we advocate, these are all mathematical methods. It has a definite calculation behind it, and this hedging also add one more step to your trading to make your trading more refined. So in this regard, we have been conducting the series of webinars, online programs to motivate the traders to learn some concepts about the trading, about the techniques or valid techniques. So here we have also scheduled one program on 22nd December. 22nd December, and this 22nd December purely you will be learning about the Elliott, Fibonacci and WD Gann. These three principles, how they are correlated with each other and how you can implement these methods in different situations. We'll also learn a scientific way of trend indicators, technical indicators. These indicators you may be knowing from the historic data within specific formulae. However, here the deviation is we'll be telling you dynamic way of using this thing, how you can make it as a forward indicator. All these indicators are known as the backward indicator because they have taken the data from the previously happened data points. So how you can make it as a dynamic indicator, forward indicator with the help of a simple Excel sheet that you are going to learn. Also, you'll be given one day of live market practice on these particular methods. Whatever you have learned, whether these calculations really work in the market or not. So for that, also, we'll be giving you an exposure. These methods, whatever you learn, whether it really practically works in the market or not. So one day we will be having a live session. So based on your group which you associate, your live session will be scheduled. If you are joining the English batch, which is having only some 29 seats now vacant, so your live session will be on 24. If you are joining the Hindi batch, your live session will be on the 26th December. So that will be in a live market. The same principles what you have learned using your Excel sheet, you can able to verify in the live market whether these methods really work or not. So if you are interested for joining this program, just visit this seminar link and Here there is a fee, small fee of 300 rupees. Make the payment and register yourself. Do invite your friends if you think that yes, they should learn some valid concept of trend forecast. Do invite them to participate in this program. They'll also learn something about the trend forecast. So you need to understand only following some valid concepts, easy concepts, and the concept which deliver in the real market can make you successful. No one's tips, no one's advice, or no one's help is the solution of your success. Here I have demonstrated the success of one standard deviation in trend forecast. Why today it has made 10,924? Why the closing is happening at 10,912? Same way here too also the closing is happening at 27,085. So just there is a these are mathematical calculations done 2 to 3 days before, and market is obliging it, accepting these calculations. So this itself is a great proof that this method works in the real market. And this software, we have kept it as a very low price, 5,900 per year. It available in Android as well as in the desktop edition, and it maintains the same success. Again I repeat, it maintains the same success in equity, stock future, option analysis, and number of times we have demonstrated it. And if you just visit our YouTube channel, you'll find it out that same software is being demonstrated twice, on 4 days before, 3 days before. In the live market we have demonstrated the same software. It's a success on this. So if you are interested to procure this software, you can just visit our website. On the product segment you will get the number one product in the software. So this software you can procure from here, and the validity of this particular software is for 1 year, post which there will be a renewal cost of 3,500 plus tax. But before that, I will advise please visit these small videos to understand how this software works in the real market. One calculation you have seen here, you have seen 2 days of live market practice sessions we have demonstrated with couple of counters. If you think that yes, this particular software will give me a proper trend forecast, and you need to implement it with one proper risk management, and if you are agree with this idea, then procure this software and use it for your trading. Thank you very much, and experience this week's price movement. Compare it with the report what we have given. You will get more idea about this particular method. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.